Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to learn Yardi Voyager, a leading property management and accounting software used in the real estate industry. To get started, it is essential to understand the basics of Yardi Voyager and its key features. Yardi Voyager is a fully integrated system that provides a comprehensive platform for managing properties, including lease administration, accounting, and reporting. The first step in learning Yardi Voyager is to familiarize yourself with the user interface and navigation. The system is divided into several modules, including the general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and lease administration. Each module is designed to perform specific tasks, and understanding the functionality of each module is crucial to mastering the system. Once you have a good understanding of the user interface and navigation, the next step is to learn the key concepts and terminology used in Yardi Voyager. This includes understanding the different types of properties, such as commercial, residential, and industrial, as well as the various lease types, including gross leases, net leases, and percentage leases. To gain practical experience with Yardi Voyager, it is recommended to start with the basics, such as setting up a new property, creating a lease, and processing payments. You can practice these tasks using sample data or by working with a training database. It is also essential to learn how to generate reports, including financial statements, lease abstracts, and rent rolls. Best practices for learning Yardi Voyager include taking online training courses, attending webinars, and participating in user groups. Yardi also offers a range of training resources, including user manuals, tutorials, and videos. It is also recommended to work with an experienced user or trainer who can provide guidance and support. In addition to formal training, it is essential to practice using Yardi Voyager regularly to reinforce your knowledge and skills. You can also join online forums and discussion groups to connect with other users and learn from their experiences. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly become proficient in Yardi Voyager and improve your productivity and efficiency in managing properties. With dedication and practice, you can master Yardi Voyager and take your property management skills to the next level.